So what's next?
What?
What's next?
Saucers.
Saucers. You look like you're gonna throw up.
I am.
Should we do this if you're gonna throw up?
No, we are doing it.
Let's do it. I don't think you're gonna make it.
No, I'm not gonna make it.
If we cut you off at the waist. There, see, you're too short.
We still have
Number 11.
I know.
Number 11.
Su atención, por favor. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con sus cinturones de seguridad bien abrochados y las manos, brazos, pies, piernas, tenazas y antenas.
Well, I'm not sweating.
Go! Woo! Oh, jeez. Woohoo! Flipping around pretty good. That's a little more than I thought it was going to be. Woo! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Jeez! Whoa! I'm going to drop my camera. Woohoo! Here we go! Whoa! What do you think? Gee, whoa! Woo!
Here we go.
Here we go. Which way's it gonna go? Which way? Which way? Oh, this way. Woo! Wow, jeez, run into me. Oh, casualty. This is so much fun. Oh, I love that. That was awesome.
That was great.
That was so much fun.
Nothing can top it.
Woo!
Farewell.
What do you think?
That was awesome.
That was awesome. Now where's the exit?
exit?
Way over there. Oh, that was so much fun, guys. I was not expecting to get whipped around like that, but that was really fun.
Bye.
Bye, thanks. Very cool.
That was great.
Woohoo!
Dad thought it was not gonna be that fast. But dude, it was like this. So it was slow, and I went. Oh.
Whoa, okay?
Yeah. That's how crazy it was. It was smack to the face.
Is that the grilled cheese? That looks really good. Are you going to food review while you eat? Can I film you? Because I already am.
I'll let you film me.
Just take a bite and let us know how it is.
I did take a bite. It's delicious.
But we didn't see you take a bite.
Stop it.
What, you can't do this on camera. You have to be nice. You have to be nice on camera.
Touch something. Stop it.
You're going out to like 15 people.
You just came to me or passed me to the park.
How is it?
It's great.
Describe it. Seriously though, the grilled cheese, how is it? I know, but we need to see your reaction.
Dad's fishing.
gooey?
Mama.
Talk to us. Talk to us.
Stop it.
Oh wait,
How is that?
It's good.
Is it cheesy?
Daddy, you're fishing for her anger.
Yes. What are you drinking?
Kool-Aid.
Is that adult Kool-Aid?